to Prime News. Now look at the headlines.
Headlines brought to you by Chandan Group's Goa.
Nigerians fled to Mumbai accused two BJP MLAs of link in murder, protecting killers and involvement in drug trade. MLAs say that's expected from any accused. Coastal MLA's 2-point at home department for Nigerian ruckus. Mandrekar taunts on taking credit. Michael says Parrikar should focus on police. Parsekar says police in nexus. Tax recovery figures not encouraging. Half-yearly figures shows 2% negative growth. Net 35% below target. Treasury may face annual shortfall of 500 crores. Watch Treasury Panchanama. No doctors at GMC Blood Bank on Sundays. No give and take of blood for critical patients. Donors, seekers await for Monday. Daughter of critical mother pleads GMC. Watch report. And Boeing 787 Dreamliner, biggest wide-bodied aircraft, lands at Daboli with passengers from London. TTAG demands promotion of Dreamliners, says airport authority lethargic. Now news in detail. Two BJP MLAs are involved in the murder and are protecting the killers. Some of them are connected with the drug trade. These are accusations made by the Nigerians taking shelter in Mumbai. Almost 100 Nigerians have fled from Goa and have reached Wakola in Santa Cruz. In an interview to a news website, they claim that Nigerians are only drug transporters. Big bosses who make deals are closely connected to political class in Goa. BJP MLAs say accused cannot be believed. Watch report.
Almost 100 to 150 Nigerians are taking shelter in Mumbai at Mira Road, which is a shelter for almost 300 Nigerians, some of them married to the local women. The revelations by the Nigerians on the news66.com website are shocking. One of these, who identified himself as Paul Simon, speaking on behalf of Nigerians, claimed two BJP MLAs involved in murder protecting actual killers, some of them connected with drug trade. Most of Nigerians involved in drug trade in Goa are carriers or transporters. Big bosses who make deals are connected with political class in Goa. Some of them are businessmen, run pubs, bars, hotels. Nobody touches them. Campaign against Nigerians in North Goa as they sell drugs at cheaper rate. Drug peddlers in Goa threatened as their profit margins were hit. Nigerians are not professional drug runners. They do it out of poverty and frustration. Drug prices decided by big bosses who do not allow to sell at cheaper rate. We question local MLA Michael Lobo and Minister Dayanand Mandrekar on these charges. He says accused can make any statements.
म्हाका दिसना अशें काय MLA इनवॉल्व आहा हे इनवॉल्व आहा कोणाच्यान कितें स्टेटमेंट करूं येता कोणाच्यान कोणाची धरूंक जायना आनी नायजेरियन अशा पद्दतीचो स्टेटमेंट करप हें आनी आमी आयकप हें सुद्दां दुख्ख स्टेटमेंट घेणारेच कितके पापी आसतले अरे वैयक्तीक ह्या बिजनसान तांकां तेंच्या बरोबर कोण लोक आहा पळय तांकांच खबर आहा हे वैयक्तीक आपल्या पापाचें खापर दुसऱ्याच्या माथ्यार मारपाचे हे तेंचे प्रयत्न आहा आनी बरोबर आहा तांकां हेचेर प्रयत्न करूंक जाय पूण आमी आतां कितें साबीत करूंक सोदता अरे जो कितें धिंगाणो घातला पळय तो त्या लोकांनी घातला आनी जे कितें घटना घडल्या तेचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातलें तें कितें आहा ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट कितें आहा तें येतलेंच फुडल्यान.
I'll tell you, there is no politician who is involved in drugs. It is the job of Goa police to crack down. Let us not get into political angle of Congress, BJP, MGP आणि कोण 2 पानां 3 पानां हिंगा तसलें कांय ना. हिंगा पुलिसांनी एक्शन घेवपाची गरज आहा. आमी पॉलिटिशियन जो तर कसलोच हेल्प जावल जो तर if they want whatever help we will give them.
Media tried to question Chief Minister on Nigerian episode.
I don't respond to such things. तुम्ही विचारता पळय ते विचारप तुमचे चुकीचे आहात ते तांकां विचारूंक जाय. ताका विचार नाही म्हाका विचार.
And this is the Nigerians' version on the Thursday Porvorim blockade and attack episode. Wanted proper Panchanama of body before postmortem? Wanted to check body of deceased brother before postmortem? Feared that killers could have planted drugs on corpse to make him drug peddler? It is known fact that police in India plant drugs and contraband on victims. Many Nigerians are victims of drugs planted by ANC and NCB. Wanted 2 Nigerians to accompany body be present during postmortem. Refusal by police promoted some hot-blooded Nigerians to take law in hands. Meanwhile, the Nigerian embassy officials visited Kalangut to take stock of the situation on Sunday. The officials discussed the matter with the local Nigerians. The Nigerians have put up their case before the national embassy.
ताजे मिटिंगेचे हांव तुका अशें दिवं प्रश्न विचारता पळय तो देवाची विचार मरे तो तांचो कल्चर कोण तो कमर्शियल एटॅची काय कोण तरी आयिल्लो कॉन्सुलेट तो तांकां ब्रिफींग करतालो की डॉक्युमेंट आपले आय डोंट नो आय एम नॉट अवेर.
The Nigerians have once again stirred up the hornet's nest. Now it is up to the party in power to counter these accusations and clear the taint. Reporters Mahesh Gadi and Shamsundar Fatte with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
BJP MLAs and ministers from Coastal Belt point fingers at their own home department and state police for Nigerians' ruckus. Senior BJP minister Dayanand Mandrekar says drug menace has spread across villages, not just Coastal Belt. Those who claim credit for good should claim for bad things too. Parsekar claims locals and police too have links in drug trade. Michael says Parikar should focus on home ministry. With opposition, even BJP MLAs have their fingers pointed at state home ministry. Watch report.
Following the Nigerians' rampage at Porvorim, on Thursday morning, opposition attacked the state home ministry and police for failure. But interestingly, tone of BJP MLAs from Coastal Belt isn't different. The fingers are being pointed at the state police and the home ministry. BJP MLA Mandrekar says drugs have penetrated the villages, not just the coastal belt, and further taunted saying those who claim the credit for doing good should claim it for the bad happenings too.
आजच्या हितून नायजेरियन म्हटल्यानंतर हो कॅन्सर कहो ड्रग्स गांवांनी पावला. नॉर्मली ड्रग्स हे कितें आहा फाटीं जे आदी पासून लोकांचें म्हणणें आसलें कितें कोस्टल बेल्टाचेरूच ड्रग्स चलता. पूण आज कोस्टल बेल्टाचो प्रश्न ते ना. आमी पेपरार न्यूज वाचता तें 70रीन ड्रग्स सापडटा, म्हापसान सिटीन ड्रग्स सापडटा, पणजेन ड्रग्स सापडटा. ज्या जाग्यार ट्युरिस्टाचें कांयच हें नासना थंय हाल्ली फकत त्या मनान कोस्ट बेल्टार कमी केसी जाल्या. आजच्या घडीक आमी कोणाचेर ब्लेम घेवन कांय फायदो ना. पूण ह्या पद्दतीन शेवटी आमी जेन्ना पुलीस म्हणटा पळय पुलिसाक ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीची कल्पना आसूंक जाय. हेंच म्हाजें म्हणणें. कित्याक जरी जेन्ना बऱ्या गोश्टीचें श्रेय जर आमी घेवंक सोदता जाल्यार वायट गोश्टीचें कित्याक घेवनाका. जें कितें चुकलां तें चुकलां न्हू.
Another BJP minister from Coastal Belt, Lakshmikant Parsekar, claims local and police have links with drug trade. That's why Nigerians do not care police.
आमचो स्थानीक लोक तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करता, शिल्ड करता. हांवें अनेक फावटी म्हज्या गांवांतल्या मनशांक सुद्दां हेच्या बाबतींत शिटकवणी दिली जाल्यार म्हाका काही वेळार कानार अशें म्हणजे कितें रे म्हणजे आमकां 4 पयशे मेळटा जाल्यार हाका कित्याक दुखचें अशा स्वरुपाचे रिएक्शनूय येता. पूण अशी गजाल अशी रिएक्शन्स आयल्या मुळे कानाडोळो करप जाता. इन्सिडंट घडलो हो सामको दुर्दैवी इन्सिडंट. ते पुलिसांक केअर करिनात कारण ते हांगा खूब वर्सां सेटल आसात. ताणें हांगासरल्या कोस्टल बेल्टांतल्या पुलिसां कडेन तेंचे साटेलोटे आसात हांगा कोस्टल बेल्टान पुलीस हो वर्सां वयर दवरूंक चलना सरकारान अशें म्हजें मत आसा कारण तांचे कडेन सेटींग जातकीर तांचे वाममार्गानयचे धंदे सुरू जातात आनी बिनदिक्कतपणे ते आजनेरो करपाक तयार जातात ते मागीर पुलिसाच्या वर्दीक भियेनात ते पयर जें जालें ते पुलिसाच्या वर्दीक ते भिवंक ना म्हणून जाला.
BJP Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo have advised CM to focus on the Home Ministry alone. He says too many portfolios affect efficiency.
It is high time the government should be very serious. And I feel that the Honorable Chief Minister should make time only for Home Department, that is Goa Police. Every second day, there should be briefings on narcotics. How much, what you have done. Ask them what they have done. The ANC and coastal police stations, जे Honorable Chief Minister promise दिल्ले आमकां की एक police stationer 2 PI घालतलो म्हणून coastal आड we require them.
Saligaon MLA Dilip Parulekar says there need to be more focused efforts to weed out means.
हेच्या फुडें सुद्दां डबल कारवाई करून हे जे ड्रग्स आसात ते क्रॅकडावन करपाचो प्रयत्न चलतलो. पयरचो कितें प्रसंग जाला हो अचानक प्रसंग आसा तसो हो आमच्या आनीक क्रॅकडावन करपा खातीर पत्त्यार पडलेलो आसा. हे निमित्त घेवनूच उरलेलें जे कितें ड्रग नॅक्सेस आसा ते कंप्लिटली क्रॅकडावन करपाचो ह्या सरकारा कडल्यान प्रयत्न जातलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.